Do not get me wrong, babe, but I am not pregnant yet. It just doesn't make sense to me that we should purchase a property for our unborn baby. Is it not better we wait for the baby to come, then we can make such investments?
We can start now. Whether the baby is forthcoming or not. You see, I have this belief that baby is on the way coming and we should start making plans.
Ooh, I like the sound of this one. Okay, tell me.
Munachi is unisex, male or female. You know what I'm saying?
Babe,
Yeah?
are you seeing another woman?
I'm taking my time to heal. It's not about seeing another woman. Healing doesn't take overnight. I'm a human.
I am sorry. I understand. You know, it's just that sometimes your attitude towards me is different.
That's the process. You won't blame me.
Okay. Papa Munachi and Mama Munachi. Yeah, I'm coming.
Munachi. Hey, I like that name. I like it. In fact, I've always dreamt of naming my baby that.
Yes.
Munachi.
Munachi.
Munachimso.
Munachimso. And as soon as our paper comes out, we'll fly abroad.
Are you serious?
Relocate and start our new life over there. So that's the plan.
What about Benita?
My love, I don't want to talk about her. My uncle should continue marrying her for all I care.
Hey, Mbano. I know you want us to be happy and you want us to be together. But whatever it is, we have to take things easy. We have to be careful as well. Oh?
One step at a time.
Yes, one step at a time. Hi!
What's that?
You want the baby to start running now,
Of
Abby?
course. It should.
Don't do it again. Oh. It's okay.
Girl, I just bought a house in the name of my unborn child. What? No, I am not pregnant. I even wonder why the babies are not forthcoming. Yeah, I know. We've been married for 1 year and a few months, so there is still hope. I'm just trying to please my husband. You know, I'll do whatever he says just to make him happy. Come on, girl. You know my husband is not a cheat. He's a good man. So I'm trying my best to do my part. Yes, I'm just hoping that this whole thing works out. Yeah, I know it's a big decision. Well, it's for the best, right? Okay.
Bro, just follow your heart. That's all I will tell you. You gave her love. You were submissive, but she trashed it. Listen, Obiora. All that should matter to you right now is your happiness. Okay?
That's true, bro. You know, she deserves everything she's facing right now. When she was dealing with you, making you feel less of a man, she never knew that someday like this will come. See, let me tell you, if she like, may she buy you G-Wagon. A man knows where his heart is. Do your thing.
Obiora, one more thing. Make sure you take Uju far away from her. Very, very important.
Very important.
Okay? Once you guys travel and sort out with the marriage of the thing, you can fight for a divorce to end it with her completely.
Ujungwa is 2 weeks pregnant for me, guys.
Hey! Mama no. Sharpshooter. I trust you.
Bro, man, I'm happy for you. So, what are you waiting for? Let me tell you, her sight can still be restored. Just do the needful.
I'm waiting for her visa to come out. I don't know why it's taking all the time.
See, on behalf of husband brotherhood, we'll give you our support.
100%.
Benita cannot have her cake and cannot eat her cake and have it.
Mama, not the
That's not possible.
sharpshooter. I trust you.
Hey, God, my guy.
Uju, where are you, Uju? Uju! This is my daughter. Uju, where are you? Daddy is back. Uju, where? Uju, where have this girl gone to now? Uju! Can't she? Is that maybe this side? Uju, let me see. I am back now. Uju, where are you? Uju, come. Where are you? Your daddy is back. Uju, your daddy is back now. Where are you? Uju, where are you? Oh, this girl. I don't. Where was she about? Where has she gone to right now? Where should she be by now? So I was called by our king, and he lifted the ban.
Thank God. That means you are finally back from exile.
Yes. But I can't find my daughter. I really do not know her whereabouts. I searched for her everywhere. I can't find her. So I came to ask you if you know her whereabouts, or if she has gone to somewhere with your nephew. I'm missing her so much, please. Do you know where she is?
It's been long I set my eyes on her. And I
On
don't...
what, please?
She did not get married to Obiora because Obiora is finally married.
Hey.
Hey, I am happy. Very, very happy that Obiora is now living peacefully with his wife. Eh? God has finally answered my prayer.
It marveled me how the wife changed overnight. I am still pondering what entered her spirit.
Even at the point of coming to apologize to you for her wrongdoings. Hey!
I am so happy nothing happens to the marriage.
Yes, so. Thank God.
It's well.
Working.
Oga, since when my Oga returned from prison, this one where you go, I'm not sure say you go come back again. You see, I just dey come here for now to see if I go fit see Oga. Like this now, I'm no longer working here. You see, say I'm on my mufti. I'm not wearing uniform today. So now be waiting happen.
Is he into drugs or something?
No. Nah, my Oga go village, go carry one fine blind auntie come. He come promise am say he go marry am. He go take her go Canada, take care of her, do everything for her. But along the line, Oga come dey maltreat the auntie, come dey beat am, even dey sleep with her. So Oga don do so many things wey dey bad to this beautiful blind auntie.
What? My daughter?
Ewo, uncle, na your daughter?
Jeez.
Hey! Jesus, so I hear say na her father do her that thing wey happen to her. But Oga, if na true say na you do that thing to your own daughter, to God, uncle, you wicked. You wicked die. Why you go get mind do that kind of thing to your own daughter? Where be say you put your 2 legs for war? Born! Hi,
Please,
Jesus.
do you know, I mean, my daughter, do you know her whereabouts?
Now that one, no problem deal because she come here with some men, with policemen, come carry my oga, waka. Since that time, I no see my oga again. Now the one I know now they tell you so. I know no pass like this. But so, uncle, but why you can't beat your own pikin? So tell you can't blind her eyes. No be say you Peter say make a blind one. You can't blind the two. She no come dey see. That fine auntie, well fine like that. You can't use less for life.
See, you won't understand. It's not intentional. It's the work of the devil. It's the devil that caused it.
Oga, now what for you? Now what for you? Any small thing we wanna do, now go call devil. Person go waka within 2 sense, within 2 eyes, within clear mind, can't go do evil. Finish, you go come call devil. Say, now the handwork of the devil.
You won't understand.
I go understand because the devil now they inside AC, they chop fried rice and chicken. You dey hear the talk say, he do wetin he know they aware of.
What?
Uncle, you wicked.
Like I said, you won't understand. It's a long story.
Uncle, you wicked, oh. You wicked, uncle. Hey, uncle, I swear you no go make heaven for this thing what you do. You no go make heaven for this what you do for your daughter. You know what you mean? Your own daughter now you go blind. Your own daughter. Uncle, you no go make heaven.
What have I done to myself? Hi! My child, forgive me. My daughter, please have mercy on me. Forgive me. Eh? What am I going to tell people? Oh God, what is happening? Eh? How can I even forgive myself right now? God, please have mercy on me. Have mercy on me. Forgive me. Look, I do not know what has gotten over me right now. This is the only child and the only daughter that I have. How can I come and not find her? Hi! Sinekele, what will I tell people? God, have mercy on me. It's not intentional. Please, I love my daughter. I want her back. Please, Uju, please come back. Find a place in your heart to forgive me and come back, my daughter. It can never happen again. Hey, this is serious. What will I tell people? Eh? It's simply preposterous. Oh God, have mercy on me. Please, God, have mercy on me. Eh? How can I be without this only child of mine? I cannot stay without this girl. What is life all about again then? Hey.
Ichioji. Look, the only thing I will tell you is for you to settle your mind down. I strongly believe your daughter is in good hands.
I just want to see my daughter, that's all. Yet, how can I find her? That's another problem. Let me see her so that I can, apologize to her. Let me tell her I'm sorry now. Yeah? Let me tell her I'm sorry. But right now, I even do not know where I can find her. I don't know her whereabouts. So, that's the problem right now. Eh? As I'm talking to you now, I'm in pains. I am hot.
Yeah, well, I feel your pain. Don't worry. She will come back. You will see her someday. Look, Ichioji. She was the one agitating and complaining to me that she wants you back. And I promised her to make sure the matter is revoked for her own favor. For her favor. So you have to relax. You will see her someday.
That's the case. Then thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Madam,
thank you very much.
You have to calm down to avoid Obalambani. Makana, you know, you are not getting younger. Yeah? You are no more a young man. You are advancing in age. So, boot your name. It's okay.
Thanks a lot. I'm grateful.
That's thank God for you. Just calm down. She will come back. Man, when this one also.
You get money, you get power. I know you can buy anything money can buy. But you cannot buy true love. Bear it in mind. You cannot buy true love.
Pure, pick your call, please.
You may get money, you may get connection, you may get everything, but you cannot buy true love. You cannot buy it. Stop chasing shadow, my dear. Stop chasing shadow. True love is priceless. It's bigger than money and riches. True love is priceless. I bear it in mind. Mellow down, down, down. 'Cause money is not everything. Look for your soulmate. Look for your love. Stop interfering. You cannot stop the moving train. Look for your soul.
Hi, what? Where in God's name are you coming back from? What's hi?
I'm coming back from work.
Oh, Bira, please do not lie to me. Please, I beg you.
Have you forgotten that I work and stay back?
And you can't pick your call while at it.
My phone was on silent.
Oh,
I called you twice.
You know what you're doing. You're just punishing me, okay? And I don't like it. I have apologized to you. I said I am sorry. I am changed. I want our home renewed. What is this?
Okay. Enjoy the process.
Obera, do not walk out on me. I am not done talking to you.
Oh, there she goes again. You want to shout at me, right? Hit me as well. That's who you are. You can never change. You can never be a better person. It's not possible.
Okay.
Better still, let me go back to where I'm coming from.
No, look, I'm sorry, okay? Obiara, I'm so shit! Obiara!
Nai, what are you saying?
I am having this feeling Obiora is hiding something from me.
Huh? Like what?
I really don't know, but I am having this feeling it has to do with something the wife did to him.
So, what do you think is really the matter?
If Uju says she is not married to that man, who else could she be with?
Nai, this your question is somehow. So, what are you insinuating? Because if anything happens to their marriage, it will be to our detriment.
It's alright. I will talk to him.
Please do.
I will do so.
Please do.
Michael, please. I promise I'm a changed person. Please help me talk to my husband. I've done everything to make him understand that I've changed. But he seems to be punishing me for my past. I just want you to help me talk to him. Please, I beg you.
Benita, this life is so funny. So you can be this humble and even call me on phone to talk to Obiora, your husband.
I am sorry.
But let me ask you, why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this?
Michael, please, you are his friend. I mean, you are the one he can open up to. Please, Help me talk to him. Make him understand that I'm a changed person. I beg you. Please. Michael, please. Just help me. Help me. I'll really appreciate it. Just help me talk to my husband. I do not want to lose my marriage. I love my husband. Please.
Well, I've heard you. I'll see what I can do about it. I can see that you have really changed.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. All right.
My wife is a pain to me, to my life. In fact, she's a Jezebel. She insults me, she does anything she likes. She insults me in the public. Even at the mall, she shouts at me. Even at the day of my birthday, she slapped me and insulted my friends. She even warned them not to come to the house again. What is all this? Uncle, I want to ask you, if I'm your biological son, will you still tell me to continue with this toxic woman? Will you?
Obiora, we are all trapped already. She came like an angel, and now she has turned a demon. You were there the other day, she insulted me when I came over to the house. You saw everything. Okay, the house she bought for me, the car, and the wife I married. You knew about everything.
We did not beg her. We did not beg her to do any of these.
But you are trapped already. I am even weak.
She can come and collect everything. The house, the car, even the 10 million naira. We can sell lands and give her back her money. I can't continue like this, Uncle. I can't.
It's alright, Obiora. I please want to plead with you. Give me some time. I will talk to the father, Ichi Anusi. Please.
I'm dying, Uncle, I'm dying, I'm really dying. And if anything happens to me, you people should hold Benita responsible. What is all this now?
Obiora, nothing will happen.
Why would she be treating me like that?
Nothing will happen to you. Like I said, give me time to talk to the father. Pico.
Tired. I'm not in the mood, please. I said, leave me alone. What is it?
Obiora, why are you doing this to me now? Why are you hurting me like this? I thought I've apologized to you and we've passed this.
Can't you understand a simple sentence? I said I'm tired.
Okay, it's fine. You don't have to shout. It's fine. I won't disturb you. I said I won't disturb you. Where are you going? Come and lie down. I won't touch you. Obiora. Is he cheating on me?
The blind girl?
Oh my God!
The blind girl is pregnant for my husband. How did this happen? Benita, you are a fool. You're such an idiot. Ha!
Wait, are you for real? Benita, are you kidding me?
Rosaline, I saw the passport with my eyes. I saw her pregnancy results with my own eyes. Rosaline, to think that the house I got recently thinking it was for my unborn child was for the unborn child of that blind girl. Can you imagine? After all I have done for him, this is how he pays me back. He fools me like this, Rosaline. I don't understand. I told you about the baby thing, right? I told you.
Benny, please calm down. I know you told me. But I don't understand. A baby that is yet unborn? What if something happened to the child?
Oh, please, stop it. Stop it and sound serious for once in your life. I am talking about my husband.
I know.
And I am losing him. I am losing this man just like that. After all my efforts, after everything I have done for him. This is not fair. This is not fair. I don't even understand. I need to find that guy. I need to understand how he met that blind girl in the first place. They are not supposed to meet at all.
Benny, please. You're raising your voice. I need you to calm down, please. Please, you're hurting yourself. I still can't get it. Like, are you telling me that he's flying that girl abroad?
Exactly. He's flying her abroad. He's going to live with her abroad and abandon me. Me! Just like that. How? How can I be a fool? How can I be a fool like this? Like I'm so angry. I'm so angry.
You're hurting yourself. I'm sorry. Please calm down. I know. Benny, please. I need you to calm down. Look at me. I beg you. Please. This is no time for tears. This is no time for you to cry. It is time for you to sit and fight it out. Figure out what is happening. You don't need these tears. Trust me, you don't. Okay. I am sorry. Please, I know how you feel. I am so sorry. Benny, no, we don't need this right now. Look at me, you don't need it.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, babe, now that you have showed me the girl's house, what's next? What are we going to do?
Wait, please, I need you to calm down. Yes, you can't confront the blind girl. Because if you do, Obira might run away. Yes, or even file a divorce.
I don't want a divorce. I don't want to hear it. What are we going to do? My husband is using me. Me!
That's why I said you should calm down. You know, let's go close. I know what to do.
Hey, did you just tell me now? What's the plan?
Wait, don't worry. I know what to do.
We're going?
Yes, sir. Sir, as we speak, I am in the office. find any international passport. Yes, sir. I have searched and said, no way. Yes, sir. Okay. All right, sir.
My love, just take it easy, okay? Since your secretary said she can't find it in the hospital, then it must be in the house. Yes, I suggest you go back home. Look for it properly. You'll find it. Okay. Just be careful, okay? There is a stranger in this house. Who are you?
Did I keep it here? I thought I...
Hello, Bruce. Yes, he just left now. I'll be on my way now. I need to be there to see things for myself. Of course I'm coming. No. I'll see you, okay?
You get into this house? I'm asking you, what are you doing here?
Just calm down, please.
Calm down for what? Where is my wife? Where is Uju?
You mean the blind girl?
Yes, she's pregnant for me.
She has been kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
As we speak.
Kidnapped by who? Who kidnapped her? I'm asking you, say something.
Rose! Rose is your wife's best friend and she's aware she stays in this place.
Rose kidnapped my wife? Yes. What? What did she do to her? Say something!
Please, just calm down. I've called the police.
Calm down for what? Say something, my friend!
Calm down. I've called the police and we're on top of this. Just relax. I'll tell you everything. Your wife planned all this. Yes, Christ. Just relax yourself. Please, I beg you. Please, let's just go and save her, please.
Please, let's go. Let's go.
Call this woman now. Time no day. Nah, this boy out. Okay, come in out. Okay, man out here. Call the other line now. No be 2 lines she gets. Call the other one now.
See man, calm down, man. Call him.
What's going on? What are you guys here?
Are you they wait for?
Where is the blind girl?
She's there inside.
I want to kill that blind girl. I need to kill her. Where is she?
Freeze! Hey, you have been surrounded by the police.
You?
Raise your hands above your head.
Are you surprised?
And step forward.
I told you. You've been following me?
Yeah. Where is Ujunwa? Where is Ujunwa? I'm asking, where is Ujunwa? Where is she?
She's inside.
Hands above your head.
Inside where?
Inside the room.
I said, raise your hands above your head.
I told you.
Is that not Rose car? Eh? What is she doing here?
To kill this girl.
Better than they don't kill many things. Let human being animal represent
You don't understand.
Don't
Don't worry, you're going to name your price. This particular day is a very stubborn one. How much do you want?
Okay. I will do it for you. Give me 10.
I'll give you 10. I want a clean job. It's a job. I repeat again. I will give you 15 million. I want a clean job.
The only thing I want from you is the age, the address. Forget the deal.
That's no problem. I will. Number 22, Chuku Fly.
Wow.
Outside.
Alright.
Thank you very much. Okay. Not traces, please.
Bye-bye.
So how did it go?
I'm done, ma'am.
It's alright. So I can actually track the content.
Sure.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I appreciate it.
Sorry. Wait, I'm sorry. Wait, nobody's talking to me. Wait, inside where? Inside where? She's not there. My friend,
Please. Wait, let me explain.
My love. You all will rot in jail. I promise you that. Come out. Come out.
This place has been surrounded by the police. Out! Come out! Out!
It's right time. You come on. Come on. Lose this thing. Lose it. Come on, lose it. Lose it the way you tied it. I said lose her hand. Lose her hand. Sorry, take it easy, take it easy.
Freeze! Don't move, else you'll be dead. Okay. Now move. Their colleagues are inside. Move! Keep going. Keep moving.
Wait. So you mean Benita attempted killing Uju, the blind girl?
That was what my nephew Obira told me on the phone. He has filed for divorce. As we speak, Obiora and Uju are in London. That was what he told me on the phone.
But my husband...
Relax. I know what you are about to say. She will not take the house from me.
Are you sure?
I am very sure because despite all I did to stop Obiora getting married to Uju, they still got married. That is destiny. Whatever will be, will be. So it has happened and there is nothing we can do about it. So we just have to relax and pray that everything works out fine.
Wow, Mr. Obiora, I am super excited. I am happy for you. Thank God for a successful surgery. I am happy for you, Mr. Obiora. Wow. No, not at all. Yes, I am working on what we discussed before. I want you to be the managing director of the company. Haba now, what are friends for? It's nothing. That reminds me, how about your woman? It's okay. When are you guys coming back to the country?
Hey! What am I living for? It's not worth living any longer. Uju, wherever you are, I believe that someday, somehow, you will regain your sight again. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for whatever humiliation I have given to you. I'm sorry for the pain. I've tried all I could to overcome this trauma. But it's unfortunate I cannot keep it any longer. It is better for me to just end it up now. Would you bye? Until we meet again, to part no more. I'm sorry. I have to end it off now. It's so unfortunate.
Papa. Papa.
You can see me?
Yes, Papa, I can see you.
Hey! Hey! Baby, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Papa, what are you doing with your room?
It's a long story, my daughter. I'm sorry. I wanted to end it off.
Jesus Christ.
It's not worth living again.
Hey, Papa Mbano.
I missed you.
I missed you too, Papa.
Please.
I missed you too.
Oh my God.
I missed you.
Obiora, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am sorry for all the humiliation. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Is she my grandchild?
Your grandchild.
Oh! Can I just lay my hands on her?
It's him, Papa.
It's him! Oh, wonderful. Thank God. I am alive to see my grandchild.
Yes.
It's Yoyi. This is Uju. She has come. And even seen me.
Wow. Ujuma.
She has regained her sight.
Ujuma. Is this you?
This is me. Live and direct.
Can you see me?
I can see you. You are wearing a red cap and a black
Let the gods be praised.
You're welcome.
Hey, you're highly welcome. I told you one day. You shall see her one day.
You said so.
You shall see her one day.
Not only herself, but I'm seeing her with my grandchild.
Oh, this one.
Don't touch.
Have you become an enemy?
Don't.
Papa, we brought some things from you. Honey, please. Get the things we brought.
Papa,
yes.
please. The day I thought I would go, that's not the day. My in-law.
Oh yes, yeah.
This baby has entered our family for good.
Yeah, right.
Obiora. So, thank God for giving you this handsome son. This child is handsome. Very, very handsome.
Like the father.
In fact, as this baby has entered this family, he will bring joy to this family. Amen. The peace of the Lord will be on this family.
Amen.
And to you, the parents, the peace of the Lord shall be with us.
Amen.
The grace of God shall be on us.
Amen.
And whatever we will need to train this child, the Lord shall provide for you.
Amen.
You and your wife will not cry because of this baby.
Amen.
You will not lack any good thing that you will use to take care of this child.
Amen.
The Lord shall provide for you.
Amen.
And to us, the parents, because this baby has entered our family, we shall also have good things to glorify the Lord.
Amen. Amen.
This baby, so grateful to God for this baby. As we look unto the Lord, let's believe that as this child is up to age to go to school, you will also have to train this child to school.
Amen.
Anything this child needs, Father, provide for them.
Amen.
Baby, I wish you the best. In the name of the Father, the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen. Yeah,
Enjoy your day.
I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tear us apart. I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet. Baby, nothing can tear us apart. It doesn't matter what is going on right now. We go be together someday, baby. I'm your Romeo, you're my Juliet.